Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable not safe for work on Civitai. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in civitai.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Civitai website where if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top section, which you can click on and use your credentials to log in. Now after you have logged into your account, if you wish to unlock NSFW or not safe for work mode, then you can simply click on your account icon at the top right corner and then scroll down and click on account settings. Now from the account settings page, if you scroll all the way down, you will be able to find the toggle button which says mature content. If you simply turn this on, you will see various options that you can turn on to enable and disable for various mature contents. So if you wish to enable NSFW or not safe for work, simply turn on this toggle and you will find various details within this category that you can turn on and off to use as filters. After you choose your settings, simply click on the save button underneath mature content and your settings will be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable not safe for work on Civitai. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.